Hi, this is Bill for Perfect Heat. Now, some of you might be saying, what is perfect heat? Perfect heat, in our estimation, is quite simply, it's simply when your radiators are performing at their optimal. In other words, from top to bottom of the radiator, it is so hot that you're not able to put your hand on the radiator for any prolonged period of time, for more than a couple of seconds, without severely trying burning yourself. So that's basically what perfect heat is. Perfect heat means your system is working top to bottom at its optimal. Now, we've come up with a system based on the inner workings of the human uh, system, your circulatory system, and the same thing we did for that has been done for the human circulatory system. We're doing for the pipes. So first thing that we want to let you know is that this is an advanced class. So if you guys are not up to speed on soldering, not up to speed on how your system works, then you could seek out our book, which is No Heat on the Second Floor. That book goes into the details and nitty gritty of your entire circulatory system, hot water, whether it's copper or black pipe, and it tells you how your system works. So now that we've got that out the way, let's move on to perfect heat.